fins inside. I pulled the tumbler out and I still can't get the handle to pop out and turn.
That's what these guys do. She ain't gonna go back down.
She's waiting for her Squeak to stand up with her paws and she'll go down and either bite her paw or something. Don't put your paw out, you get your paw bit. Oh, that was fast. It's not a toy, Squeak. She can hurt you. Bite your nose. Squeaky's going to get a bloody nose. That looks like a toy wind-up rabbit, huh, Squeak? Oh, they're trying to get each other. Better back up, Squeaky. You're going to get your nose bit. You're the boss, Squeaky, but she's the boss of the cage. The other night it was hilarious. Squeak bit some feathers, and then next time, no, you're going to get hurt. No, Squeak. No, you're going to get your nose bit.
So what she could do if she bites her, get a handful of feathers?
Yeah, she pulls out feathers, but then the bird's trying to give her a bloody nose.